Welcome back, students. This is now video 11 and this is going to be the concluding video. So the chapter gets over here. Few things we are going to see today, correct? And I hope you will understand this as well as what you learned earlier very well, and hope you will answer the test very nicely. Let's see what we are going to see today. This is again revision of standard 9. They are asking you in 10th standard. Represent the following numbers in P upon Q form. What is the first number? 0.3 bar. Alright. Question 1. Solution we are going to see. And in that, the first one. What is the first one? 0.3 bar. 0.3 bar. Okay. What does this mean? What does this mean? 0.3333 dot 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 dot. 3 repeats infinite number of times. This is non-terminating but recurring decimal. That means it is a rational number. This is a rational number. Though it is non-terminating, but it is recurring, so it's a rational number. We have to represent in the form P upon Q. You know, any rational number can be represented in the form P upon Q. Alright. Children, the value 0.3 bar has to be represented as P upon Q form. Now this is decimal form and this is P upon Q form. So we have to transform decimal form into P upon Q form, that is rational number form. Okay. How many digits are under the bar? Bar के नीचे, recurring bar के नीचे कितने digits है? 1, correct? Alright, you write double of that. 3 is recurring, so we'll write 3 2 times. And we are going to say let x is equal to 0.3 bar. 0.3 bar, which we have to represent in P upon Q form. I'm going to call it x. i.e. x is equal to 0. Now how many times should I write 3? Only one digit is repeating, so we write 1 and 1 2 times. 3 dot 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 dot. You can write as many number of times you want. If one digit is recurring, write double time, that is 3 and 3, not more. Okay? Please be careful. Now how many digits are recurring? How many digits are recurring here? 1 digit. So multiply 10 on both sides. If 2 digits are recurring, multiply 100 on both sides. If 3 digits are recurring, multiply 1000 on both sides. If you want to see detailed study of this, then you go and watch chapter 1 of standard 9. Okay? Fine. So 1 digit is recurring, so we'll multiply 10. 10x is equal to 0.33 dot 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 into 10. Into 10. Now this is 10x. Children, I can write this directly here. Instead of multiplying 10 here, I'll put here 1 digit to the right. Please pay attention because I don't want this in 10th standard again. In 9th standard, we used to do extra step. See, multiplying 10 on left hand side, so it becomes 10x. Multiplying 10 on right hand side, so 1 digit will shift to the right. So it becomes, the digit from here shift to 1 digit right. So it will be between 3 and 3. 3.3. Well, we have to maintain 2 places of decimal. आपको point के बाद 2 digit शुरुआत में हमने लिया और retain करना है. So after decimal point, how many 3s you want, you may write. हमें 2 चाहिए, हमने 2 select किया beginning में. So 2 चाहिए ही चाहिए. So I'll put 1 3 extra and then I'm putting dot dot dot. Did you get that? Okay. Now this 2 I'm going to cover it with curly bracket and call it result 1. By 1, it follows that देखिए children, 10x minus 1x. I'm writing this. Euclid's property I'm using. Left hand side minus left hand side is equal to right hand side minus right hand side. So 10x minus x, that is 9x, is equal to, here you may do it on the side, 3.33 dot 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 dot, point below point, 3.333 and point below point, 3 point and 0. So that gives me 0 0 3. Yeah, this will be dot 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 and it will be zeros only. So that is 3. So that is equal to 3. Using Euclid's property. Using Euclid's property. Is that clear to you, children? So what is x? Therefore, x is equal to 3 upon 9. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So what is x? 1 upon 3, i.e. But what is x for us? 0.3 bar. 0.3 bar for x is equal to 1 upon 3. So you have represented that decimal expression in the form P upon Q, or you may say A upon B, or you may say X upon Y, or you may say M upon N. Right? Now we will be doing it little bit quicker. Okay? Second one. Please. Same thing you have to keep on doing. ऐसा ही करना है, कुछ अलग नहीं करना है. Let's see. The second one. What is that? 0.81. We'll call that, let x is equal to 0.81 bar. This time how many digits are recurring? 8 1, 8 1, 8 1. 2 digits are recurring. आपको double time लिखना है. i.e. x is equal to 0.81 एक बार लिखा, 81 दूसरी बार लिखा. After decimal point आपको 2 बार 81 हो मिलना चाहिए. Dot 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 dot. Correct? Because this is non-terminating. Well, what you are going to multiply on left hand side and right hand side this time? How many digits are recurring or how many digits are repeating? 2. So multiply 100. See children, I am multiplying 100. So this gives me 100. X is equal to, but here if you multiply 100 on right hand side, 2 digits to the right, the decimal point will shift. Decimal point shift 2 digits to the right. So it will be between 8 1. So I am writing that 8 1 point. उसके बाद 8 1. लेकिन हमने कहा point के बाद 2 बार वो recur होना चाहिए. So I am writing. I can write how many times I want after decimal point. Dot dot dot. Cover this with and call it result 1. By 1 it follows that. By 1 it follows that. Be careful. 100x minus x. नीचे वाला minus ऊपर वाला left hand side. So that gives me 99x is equal to this minus this. I'll do that. 81.8181 dot dot dot. Point below point. Okay. ऊपर क्या है? 8181 point के बाद. Point के आगे 0 है. You can put 2 zeros dot dot dot. Now this is 0 0 0 0 81. So this is 81. Therefore, x is equal to 81 upon 99. Now this can be reduced. This can be reduced. दोनों 9 से जा रहा है. 99. 3 3s are 3 11s are 11 1s are 81. 3 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. देखो double 2 मतलब 9. 9 9s are 9 11s are. i.e. what is x for us? 0.81 bar, and that is 9 upon 11. So here you are. You have represented 0.81 bar in the form P upon Q. Got it? Alright. Third one. Now it's slightly different, children. Third one is slightly different. And you have to be careful. Third. What it is? 0.83 bar. Well, how many digits are repeating? Only one digit. But not soon after the decimal. Soon after the decimal there is 8 and then 3 is recurring. Here soon after the decimal 2 digits were recurring. Soon after the decimal 1 digit was recurring. Soon after the decimal 1 digit is constant. It remains same. And after that 3 is recurring. So little bit tougher job, especially while subtracting. Okay. Let's see. As usual, let x is equal to 0.83 bar. Remove that bar. So x is equal to 0.8. वन डिजिट इज रिकरिंग, हमने बोला 2 बार चाहिए, जो भी रिकर होता है वो डिजिट डबल बार करो. 3 3 and after that you can put dot 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 dot. Is that clear? चलिए, जो भी रिकर हो रहा है वो 2 बार डबल बार करना है. Now how many digits are recurring? Only one, so multiplying 10. Be careful now. Therefore if you multiply here 10, it's 10x. Here if you are multiplying 10, one digit to the right. If you are multiplying 100, 2 digits to the right. If you are multiplying 1000, 3 digits to the right. Are you getting my point? Okay. So that will be between 8, 3, 3. इस सिचुएशन में, जब भी आप इस सिचुएशन में, तो आपको एक डिजिट एक्स्ट्रा लिख देना है. एक डिजिट एक्स्ट्रा लिख देना है. ओके, ऑलराइट. एंड इवन इफ यू डोंट राइट, डजंट मैटर, सबट्रैक्शन के वक्त थोड़ा एडजस्टमेंट कर लेना. So this I am going to call it 1. By 1 and 2, it follows that 10x minus x, that is 9x, इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. 8.33 डॉट 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 डॉट, पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट 833, मैंने कहा था सब, और ये 0. सब्ट्रैक्शन के वक्त थोड़ा एडजस्टमेंट कर लेना. या हाउ मेनी थ्रीज यू वांट यू कैन राइट. करेक्ट. Now this is 0, this is 0, now this is not 0, so 13 and 1 is carried, 1 is subtracted from here. 13 minus 8 is 5 and this is 7. So you get 7 point, what do you got? 7.5. Can you write directly? That is 75 upon 10. I have removed the decimal as well. Alright, so therefore x is equal to 75 upon 10, और ये 9 नीचे गया. अब जो भी रिड्यूस हो रहा है, 5 15s are 5 2s are 3 3s are 3 5s are, nothing else can be reduced. i.e. now you got the value of x, but x is what? 0.83 bar. That is equal to 5 upon 6. That is your P upon Q form. Is that clear, children? Good. Now the last one in question 1, it is fourth one, 0.3178. This time how many digits are recurring? 3, 178. So double time we'll write 178 178. Okay, first let, this time I am just changing, let y is equal to 0.3178. I am putting bar. i.e. that means y is equal to 0.3, 2 बार 178 178 dot 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 dot. Children, how many digits are recurring or repeating? 3. So what should you multiply on both sides? 1000. Correct. 1000 y is equal to, यहाँ सीधा 3 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1000 तो 3 डिजिट राइट में शिफ्ट होगा. 317.8 178. Put dot dot dot, सब्ट्रैक्शन करते वक्त एडजस्टमेंट कर लेना. रिजल्ट 1. 1000 okay, by 1 it follows that 1000y minus 1y, 999y is equal to this. नीचे वाला नंबर फर्स्ट 317.8178, पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट, पॉइंट के बाद 3178178 डॉट 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 डॉट, और उसके आगे 0. यहाँ 178 फिर से लिखेंगे 178, देख लेना क्या रिपीट हो रहा है. 178 178. अब सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो 0 0 0 0 0 0, ये 5 7 1 3. 5 पॉइंट के बाद 5, डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद 5, उसके बाद 0. इसकी कोई कीमत नहीं है. सो यू कैन सिंपली राइट 317.5. पॉइंट के बाद एक डिजिट कंसीडर किया है तो अपॉन 10. टेक 399 on other side, so y is equal to 3175 upon 10, और ये 999 39 399 नहीं 39. 5 2s are 5 6s are 31 remains, 5 3s are and 5 5s are. Is it divisible by 3? No. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, which is not divisible. So this will be your answer now. You can't reduce any more further, right? 9 2s are 18, 18 and 19 and 19. So y is equal to 635 i.e. what have we called y? 0.3178 bar is this. Alright. So you have represented this decimal form also in P upon Q form. Have you got it? Good. Alright. So we did that work. Correct? This was revision of 9th standard. Sometimes they are asking you. Later there will be one video, the tricks to be used in chapter 1. Alright? Especially if it is 1 mark question, no need of doing all this lengthy process. Okay? I'll show you that trick later on. Now you have to do this. You have to do, if it is a 2 marks question, you have to write it this way. Fine. We move to question 2. Solve the following. Check whether 6 raised to n can end with digit 0 for any natural number n. 6 raised to n is equal to जो भी जवाब आएगा, we do not know, but उसका ending digit 0 है या नहीं. Say suppose 6 raised to 3, so 6 into 6 into 6, 6 is 36, 36 into 6, 36 and 21. So that is 216. Does it end with 0? No. I take 5 times, 10 times, 100 times, whatever, because n is natural number. Natural number n. You take n equal to 1, 2, 3, any number, thousand, 12 lakh 59,892, whatever you take. Will the ending digit be 0? That is the question. Children, कुछ काम पहले हमें करना पड़ेगा. See this, 20, it ends with 0. 250, it ends with 0. 1000, it ends with 0. 27500, it ends with 0. Are you getting me? उसके prime factors में निकालो इसके. So this will be 2 into 2 into 5. इसके निकालो तो 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. इसके triple 2 और triple 5 और इसके 9 and 14 only 5 है. 5 ओके, डबल 2 तो है ही, डबल 2 और डबल 5 ये 100 के into 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are, so again 5 into 11. These are the prime factors. एक चीज देख लो यहाँ, ऑब्जर्व नाइसली एंड अंडरस्टैंड. इट इज एंडिंग विद 0. आपको कम से कम एटलीस्ट one pair of 2 and 5 should be there in its prime factors. देख लीजिए, one pair कम से कम एक पैर तो होना ही चाहिए. उससे ज्यादा हो, उसके साथ कोई भी नंबर हो, we are least concerned. But at least one pair of 2 and 5, a pair of 2 and 5 should exist as its prime factor. We found prime factor of 20. उसमें 2 और 5 पैर बनती है. ज्यादा हो कोई बात नहीं, but at least one pair of 2 and 5 should exist as its prime factor. ये सारे नंबर में है. That's why it ends with 0. Now 497. Okay, I'll take 45 only. Simple number. 3 into 3 into 5. यहाँ 5 है, बट पेयरिंग में 2 नहीं है. पेयरिंग में 2 नहीं है. एटलीस्ट वन पेयर ऑफ 5 and 2 should exist in its prime factors, which is not there, so it doesn't end with 0. 48. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. These are the prime factors of 48. उसमें 2 है, but 5 is missing. Children, don't pick that concept 5 raised to 0. 5 raised to 0 means 1. 5 है ही नहीं. Are you getting me? वहां पावर था, उसमें पावर था, या पावर नहीं. पेयर 2 और 5 था. Don't mess up those things. Alright? Fine. So यहाँ 5 नहीं है, 2 है. So at least one pair of 2 and pi that should exist as its prime factors is not happening here. So you can see that number is not ending with 0. Clear? देख लीजिए आप. Please pay attention. Question 2 now. Okay? उसमें first one. Here also I'll call. Let x is equal to 6 raised to n. Let x is equal to 6 raised to n. That is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 n times. Am I right? That is the definition. Alright, concept of power. Now 6 is a composite number, so it has prime factors. 2 into 3, I'll put in the bracket. 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Dot 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 n times. या बहुत सारे प्राइम फैक्टर्स हैं, लेकिन क्या आपको कम से कम एक पेयर ऑफ 2 और 5 मिल रहा है या नहीं? नहीं. Only 2 is existing, 5 is not existing. So even one pair of 2 and 5 does not exist as the prime factor of x. So it is not ending with 0. Therefore x, I'll call it 1. Here x star. Here x doesn't have at least one pair of 2 and 5 as its prime factors. As its prime factors. Therefore, x doesn't end with 0. i.e. x मतलब 6 raised to n. i.e. 6 raised to n doesn't end with 0. Clear to you? Sure? Good. Now second one. What is the second one? It is similar one. Check whether 4 raised to n can end with digit 0 for any natural number n. Okay. Let y is equal to 4 raised to n. Therefore, okay, I'll write equal to 4 into 4 into 4 into dot 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 n times. Now what is 4? 2 into 2 composite number है, वो ब्रैकेट में लिखना जरा जरूरी है. 2 into 2, 2 into 2 n times. Children, why we have to write in bracket? Because 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 is n times. 4, 4, 4 is n times. आप ब्रैकेट नहीं लिखोगे 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, then it becomes 2n times. Double हो गया, है ना? So use bracket. Now the prime factors of y are very clear to you. Does it have a pair of 2 and 5? Here 2 is there, but 5 is missing. So same way, therefore y is equal to. Here, बोलिए, y doesn't have at least one pair of 2 and 5 as its prime factors. Therefore, y doesn't end with 0, i.e. 4 raised to n doesn't end with 0. Did you get that? Sure? Okay. Now, my whiteboard is quite small. Third question I have put here. Show that root 6 is irrational and root 30 is irrational. I can erase this part also now. All right. So we have enough space now. Now this is question 3 and first one. Root 6 is irrational. Children, this 6 is composite number. This 6 is composite number. It's not prime, but it is single. It's not expression like this, root 6 plus 1, root 3 root 2 minus 7. ऐसा expression नहीं है. It's a single term. यहाँ दो term है, right? It's not like that. So whatever application we made for prime number, same application we are going to make for composite number. Do you remember what we did for prime number? Let's see. Suppose root 6 is rational, i.e. root 6 is equal to a upon b, where b is not equal to 0, and HCF of a and b is equal to 1. Result 1. Therefore, root 6 into b is equal to a. Squaring both sides, 6b square is equal to a square. We call this result 2. Therefore, 6 divides a square. A multiple of 6 divides a square. Therefore, 6 divides a. We call this result 3. Now, that means a is a multiple of 6, i.e. a is equal to 6k. Squaring both sides, a square is equal to 36k square. Putting the value of a square from 2. So, what is a square? 6b square is equal to 36k square. 6 ones are 6 6 are. Therefore, b square is equal to 6k square. But 6 is a multiple of 6 divides b square exactly. Therefore, 6 divides b. Result 4. Yes, 3 और 4 में देख लीजिए 6 is a common factor of a and b. So, by 3 and o, it follows that HCF of a and b cannot be equal to 1. HCF of a and b cannot be equal to 1 because it has common factor 6. More factors are also there. If 6 is a common factor, then 6 के दो factors 2 और 3 they are also the common factors of a and b. लेकिन वो mention करने की जरूरत नहीं है. We got one more factor extra, so the HCF cannot be 1. Therefore, there is therefore there is contradiction, and our supposition that root 6 is irrational is wrong. Therefore, root 6 is irrational. Are you getting me, children? Finished. There are different ways of writing it. Now the last one, root 30 is irrational. I'll do the same. In place of root 6, I'll have 30. That's it. 30. Here 30 square will be 900. 30 ones and 30 30s are 900. Again the same. Alright. So this is what you will get. This you do it on your own. Will you be able to do? Good. Fine, students. So for now, the chapter is over. All assignments are also given. I hope you understood the chapter well. Well, during the year, periodically for revision, you will get assignments. So don't worry, you will not forget that chapter if we revise that chapter regularly. Okay. Now, if you have any queries, you can send it on my personal number. All right, WhatsApp number. You already have it. Okay. I'll write down today. And children, fine. On Sunday, I'm going to take your test. So prepare for your test well. Here, I need little cooperation from parents as well. When your child writes the test, well, please, your supervision is required. They write their test very honestly. So please see that. And once the test is completed, if it is suppose 1.5 hours, at the end of 1.5 hours, 10 minutes extra will be given. Soon I'll put the solution. So let them check themselves from the solution and then take the picture of the first page of the test paper and the child have to send it to me on my personal WhatsApp. Okay. Well, say suppose this is the paper, the first page of the test paper. Answer sheet का first page है. So first you write divine Public School, Navsari. If you are a student of Divine Public School, Navsari, then name you write, complete name has to be written, correct? Patel Prakash R. Then standard and division, 10th, E1, yeah, E2, yeah, E3. Please, if you were in 9th E1, let's say now you will be in 10 E1. 9 E2, those students will be in 10 E2. Okay? So put that. Whatever division is applicable to you. Correct? Then leave 3 lines. आपको 3 लाइन छोड़ना है. उसके बाद you start writing answer 1, 2. Alright? Then you start writing. Once the paper is corrected, say suppose it is 40 marks paper. So here you write out of 40. Say suppose you scored 38. So write 38. That's it. And here parents' signature is required. Parents' signature. Parents' signature ऐसा नहीं लिखना है. Parents की signature ही वहाँ करानी है. Alright? Then take the picture of this first page and send it to my personal WhatsApp number, which is 9879338663. Alright? Send your result on this, and result should be on this form. I can read out the school name, I can read out the name, your name, and marks scored by you, and the division. Is that clear? And then I'll make a list of the students and marks scored by them, and I'll send it back to you so that you can see your marks. Okay? Or everyone can see the marks. Alright? If you have scored less, don't worry. It is not the end of the chapter. You solve the queries with me. Okay? Fine? So, wishing you best of luck for your test. Goodbye for now.